Can you guess how a simple upgrade to your desk setup can skyrocket your productivity and gaming comfort? Today, we're unveiling the Flexispot OC6 Ergonomic Chair. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this isn't just another computer chair, but a vital upgrade promising to transform your desk and gaming setup experience. If you watched a lot of desk setup videos, you'll be familiar with a popular brand in the space that goes by the name of Flexispot. So when they reached out to me asking if I'd be interested in testing out their latest high-end chair, I didn't hesitate to accept. Full disclosure, I was not paid to make this video and I'm free to share my honest thoughts about the product, but I do get to keep the sample they sent to me. They sent me their brand new OC6 Ergonomic Desk Chair in gray, but they also offer it in black and light gray. The box was solid and well packed, ensuring none of the parts were damaged during shipping. Moving on to the assembly, don't worry, it's a breeze. The instructions were clear and concise, and all the necessary tools are included, so no extra trips to the hardware store are required if you don't have your tools on hand. The screws even come with a Loctite sealant on them to help ensure that they don't come loose over time. That's what these blue stripes on them are. You can assemble the entire chair in 5 easy steps. First, we attach the arms to the seat cushion by using only 3 screws each. The arms are also properly labeled to let you know which is the right and which is the left. Next, we're going to install the mechanism to the bottom of the seat cushion. Again, really easy to do. You just use the screws and the Allen key. Then you just place the cover plate over and click it into place by aligning the tabs in the 4 corners. For the third step, we're going to flip the cushion over and connect the backrest to it. I did it on my couch to give me a little bit more height. Then the backrest just slides in and you screw it in just like the other parts. Now you just install each of the wheels onto the base by applying some force and then remove the cover from the gas lift before dropping it in the center of the base. Once that's done, you're going to place the seat onto the gas lift. Easy. For the final step, we're going to attach the headrest. Just slightly place the screws in without tightening them too much yet, and then place the headrest directly into the backrest, making sure this little tab is set to unlock before doing so. Once it's in, you just tighten the screws with the included wrench and flip the little tab into the lock position. And all done. Our chair is ready for action. My first impressions of seeing this chair in my desk setup is that it's a sleek and modern design that could fit seamlessly into any space. The materials used also feel very high quality. You have this breathable mesh, this sturdy black plastic used for the Y-shaped back, and this really clean looking gray fabric. The way it's all broken up visually is very nice. But it's not just all about looks, this chair is built to last. This is the classic Pro Max model, which means that the sturdy base supports up to 500 pounds, thanks to its upgraded design and mesh material's exceptional durability, which has been tested to withstand significant impact far beyond the industry standards. I even put it through my own little test to see if it was true. Safe to say, it passed. An ergonomic chair like the OC6 for your desk setup is not just another chair, it's an investment into your health and productivity. I work from home and have tried lots of chairs over the years. Sitting in the OC6 feels amazing. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I can say I really felt like it allowed me to work for longer sessions without feeling any discomfort or fatigue. I tend to get lower back pain in most chairs, so it was nice to see that the lumbar support system was one of the primary focuses when they designed this. It has an adjustable 2.2-inch widened and heightened foam support that forms to your body's natural curves, giving you the optimal posture while seated. And probably one of my favorite parts of the Flexispot chair is the 3.3-inch adjustable headrest. I love this thing. I've never had a chair with a headrest and can confirm that they are worth it. It's great for whenever I want to lean back and relax for a bit. Now, when it comes to computer chairs, customization is key since we all come in different shapes and sizes. And the OC6 has what we've come to expect from a high-end ergonomic office chair. You can adjust the seat height easily by pressing this handle down. The backrest tilt goes from 108 degrees all the way to 128 degrees. To adjust it, you just pull the handle out and lean back. If you want to adjust the tension of the backrest tilt, you simply adjust the knob under the seat cushion towards the plus or minus signs. As for the seat cushion itself, it has an initial seat depth of 18.1 inches, but you can adjust it to 20 inches by pulling up this lever here. You also have the 4D armrest that can be rotated left to right or moved forward and back, while pulling up on the chrome tabs lets you move them up or down. And of course, you have the height-adjustable lumbar support pillow we talked about earlier and the height-adjustable headrest. Considering the high-end market, I think the OC6 stands toe-to-toe with brands like Steelcase, specifically their gesture chair, which is currently priced at over $1,400. The Flexispot OC6 Ergonomic Chair comes in at under 1/3 of the price of the Steelcase gesture, making it a smart, budget-friendly alternative without compromising on quality. Flexispot is also offering a 10-year warranty on their chair. That's huge. So if you're looking for a seating solution that marries comfort, customization, and durability, the Flexispot OC6 Ergonomic Chair might be just what you need with its robust build, ergonomic design, and competitive pricing. If this sounds like the right fit for you, check out their Amazon store page for more details in the affiliate link down in the description below, where you can see how many positive reviews there are for this product and see how the OC6 can transform your desk and gaming setup experience. Your back and your future self will thank you. If you're into desk setups, gaming setups, and home tech, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I got more content coming your way. And if you want to check out my modern living room gaming setup, check out this video here.